And we're under the bed, right?
Drop the torso, big body circle all the way down into the side and back into the side and down again. Torso up and touch the belly. A breath, then slide forward and back. Forward and back. Arms swinging in opposition. Forward and back. Drop the chest down, slow roll up. Drop the chest down, slow roll up. Drop the chest down, slow roll up. Clasp the hands together, and a long, slow look over the right shoulder. Tossing the leg and slap the thigh, shoulder roll, and superhero look. Maggie's video disappears. Sydney's torso appears in the upper left corner in front of a large, brightly painted mural. She is repeating the phrase. We catch a brief glimpse of her masked face. Jake slowly brings his head back front and finds stillness. His video disappears. Sydney's arms float lightly back and forth, her long blonde hair swinging around her shoulders as she dances. Stephanie appears in profile, bottom right. As she lifts her arms, she articulates each movement through her hands and spine. Her jumps are light and bouncy. She smiles. She extends her arms as she sweeps her torso in an expansive circle. Water, Aaron and Alex on grass. The breeze blows, rippling the fabric of Sydney's pants and Aaron's shorts. Hands appear briefly in the frame, then disappear. Legs swinging, stomping, hopping, brief glimpses of Alex and Aaron's torsos dipping into and out of view. Ginger's upper body appears in her own screen, top right, surrounded by flowers. Her hand rotations are sharp and precise. Erin's body casts a dark shadow on the green grass in front of her. We see her shadow move as Erin lifts and swings her arms. Ginger smiles as she casually slices